assertion that you were assaulted near a ring road around 1522, which you have distanced yourself from. You actually on your route to Pokeni via Moroka. That's what I wanted to clarify.
Utinto afuna ukuyicacisa ukuthi nani kade nisemgaqweni indlela eya ePhukeni nidlule eMroka ngalesikhathi ezebe ethi wawukade uthe ushayiwe ngase ring road. Kahle kahle into afuna ukuyicacisa ukuthi benisemgaqweni nisuka eMoroka niya ePhukeni.
Kosenkantolo ngiyathemba la sengikhulume kane ngokushawa kwami ukuthi mina ngishawele phambi kwegate lengangemkuka akaze ngishawele emgwaqeni kosenkantolo.
My lord, I believe I have mentioned a couple of times about my assault that I was assaulted next to a gate. I have never been assaulted next to a road.
No, I understand. I was just clarifying, Mr. Ntanzi.
Uthi uyazwisisa umshushisi bekafuna nje ukucacisa udaba oluthize.
Okay. Now let us go back. Just want to take you a little bit backwards.
Uthasiye emuva kancane nje.
To the 17th of June 2020 at the boardroom.
Siye kuyi 17 zika June 2020 lapha e-boardroom.
So I want to seek clarity on that aspect.
Ufuna ukucacisa indaba ethize lapha.
It was your evidence before this court that at some stage Brigadier Kininda instructed you to strip off your clothes.
Ubufakazi bakho uthe kunesikhathi la uBrigadier Kininda eyewathi wena ukhumule impahla zakho.
Yebo nkosenkantolo.
That is correct.
And then did you comply with that instruction?
Uye wakhumula.
Ngikhumulile ngaphezulu nkosenkantolo.
I took off my top.
And that's the stage when Bambena came closer to you to look for tattoos.
Kula uMabhena uye weza kuwe azobheka imibhalo yama tattoo.
Yebo nkosenkantolo.
That is correct, my lord.
So I want to invite you to comment on the version or on your instruction that you gave to Mr. Mngomezulu on the proceedings of the 7th of November 2023 on page 17, where he said, no, my instruction is that accused number 2, he refused because on the basis that there was a woman in the presence.
Manje umnumzana Mngomezulu uthe uma ekhuluma la enkantolo ngeyi7 zika November 2023 wathi ngaleso sikhathi uzebe ucelwa ukuthi ukhulule wena uye wanqaba ngenxa yokuthi kwakade kunomuntu wesifazane khona lapha.
And then before you respond, so I can put this into context, Mkhane responded as follows. I think accused 2 must tell you the truth, because how could we ask him to disrobe, to take his clothes off when there were people there, when there were women there, where there were people from outside there?
Mkhane waphendula le ndaba bekade ikhulunywa ummeli ephendule ethi umsolo wesibini kuzofuneka ukuthi akutshele iqiniso ngoba besingamcela kanjani ukuthi akhulule ukuthi bekade kunomuntu wesifazane kunomuntu wangaphandle okungasingxenye yethu lapho.
Kosenkantolo ngicela ungaphendulele baba Mngomezulu ngoba ngimlapha nje ngizokhuluma into eyenzeka ngekhona mina.
My lord, may I please not respond on what Mr. Mngomezulu had said. As I am standing here, I am here to testify on what happened whilst I was present.
Ngoba ubonile uGininda metha ngikhumula ukuthi ayikho lento ayifunayo amathathone nembola asetshele nkosenkantolo engibuzwa i28 angilazi ukuthi lisho ukuthina nginalo into le nkosenkantolo.
Because my lord, even Brigadier Gininda, he saw when I took off my t-shirt that I did not have even that particular tattoo, the number 28, which I also do not know what does it mean.
So I want to conclude on this point without wasting time. So that refusal by you to take off your clothes never happened.
Manje kusho ukuthi wena awuzange unqabe ukukhumula.
Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngemphambi wakho angithi ngilethe into ayenzeka kimi la. Bengeke ngizila ngingazi ukuthi ngizokwenza. Ngikhuluma into ayenzeka ke mangithi mina ngagumula lapha izithombe zathathiwe.
My Lord, as I am standing before you, I am here to testify on what happened, and I wouldn't have been standing here if I did not do what they wanted me to do, and I am saying that I did take off my t-shirt.
Okay, and as a point of departure, so you cannot testify about the refusal to disrobe.
Manje wena ngeke uphane ngobufakazi ngale ndaba yokuthi wena uye wanqaba ukukhumula.
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyaphinda ngithi angishongo phambi kwenkosi enkantolo mina ngowami umlomo ukuthi nginqabile ukukhumula. Ngithe mina ngigumulile ngoba ngangifuna ayibone serious lento le ukuthi azange ngafaka ethatho futhi angizange ngaboshiwe ngale nombolo ayengitshena intombi lasejele.
My Lord, I never said before you that I refused to undress, and I undressed because I wanted to prove to Brigadier Gininda that I do not have that number that he mentioned, and I have never also been arrested as it was alleged.
Ngoba namhlanje nkosi enkantolo anginayo ethatho mina nginayo inombolo lasejele.
Because to date, my Lord, I still do not have a tattoo. I still do not have that number from the prison.
That's the please. Let's proceed now.
Utasiqhubekeke.
We'll argue that point later.
Uthi uzobuya kuyo lelo daba uzoluxoxa uma sekuxoxwa abashushisi nommeli.
Exhibit HH, statement that was taken from you by Colonel Rapadu.
Siyake kubufakazi buka HH. Istatement esathathwa kuwe sithathwa uKolonel Rapadu.
It's in front of you, the original.
Nayi ioriginal yakho.
Yebo nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
Can you recognize your signature on the statement
Isignature yakho uyayibona la?
as well as the proform?
Yebo nkosi enkantolo ngiyayibona.
Yes, I can see it, my Lord.
Is that your signature?
Yona le signature yakho.
Yebo nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
And the thumbprint?
Bese isithupha leso sikabani.
Bangibeka nkosi enkantolo isithupha manje angazi noma yiso lesinoma ngesinye kodwa ngasibeka isithupha nkosi enkantolo.
I did place my thumbprint, my Lord. I'm not sure if this is the one or there is another one that was placed there.
Okay. On the front of the document is dated 19 June 2020.
Uthi phambili lana ibhalwe i-19 June 2020. Uyakubona lokho?
Yebo nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, I can see that.
Time is 10 to 7.
Isikhathi mizuzu elishumi ngaphambi kwehora lesikhombisa.
Yebo nkosi enkantolo ngiyayibona.
Yes, my Lord, I can see that.
And then it was the person that contacted Colonel Rapadu is Colonel Gininda.
Umuntu oye washayela uKolonel Rapadu ucingo wakade kuKolonel Gininda.
Angazi nkosi enkantolo.
I do not know, my Lord.
Can you dispute that?
Ungaphika lokho kodwa?
Ngoba ngithi angazi nje angazi nkosi enkantolo.
As I am saying I do not know, my Lord.
And then name of the suspect is UBongani Ntanzi.
Bese igama lomuntu oyikuthi umsolwa UBongani Ntanzi.
Ngiyabona nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, I can see that, my Lord.
Police station is First Loras, case 636 10 of 2014.
Police station, Phosphorus, case number 636 10 2014.
Ngiyabona nkosi enkantolo tebhalwe.
Yes, I can see that what is written, my Lord.
Charges murder and language of suspect is Zulu.
Icala ebakuthwesa lona kwakade kuyicala lokubulala wena ukhuluma isiZulu.
Yebo nkosi enkantolo ngikhuluma isiZulu.
Yes, my Lord, I am Zulu speaking.
And you were currently held at Pretoria North.
Wawukade ubekwe esiphoyiseni sase Pretoria North. Uyakubona nalokho?
Yebo ngiyakubona okubhalwe lapha.
Yes, my Lord, I can see it as it is written on that document.
Were you kept at Pretoria North on the 19th of June 2020?
Nge-19 zika June 2020 wawukade uvalelwe ePretoria North.
Angiyazi igama le police station nkosi enkantolo bangihlala ama police station amaningi. Mabe kubhale bona la. Ayikho into engizothi mina ngiyenqaba kubhale bona ngithi kubhale bona kubhala ngami.
I do not know the name of the police station which I was kept at, my Lord, as I was kept in a couple of police stations. However, if it is written here, there's nothing that I can say as it is being written, my Lord.
From the 16th of June 2020 until this date, the 19th of June 2020, were you ever taken to a different police station other than Pretoria North?
Ukusukela nge-16 zika June 2020 ukuyofikela nge-19 zika June 2020 uye wasuswa wayisiwa kwenye police station ngaphandle kwale iPretoria North.
Kosenkantolo negama le police station ngiyachaza nje ngangayazi igama le police station ngangana ukuthi ngikuphi ukube mhlamba ayintshela ukuthi ngikuphi ngabe ngangazi ukuthi ngikuphi ngoba ikita ayintshela noma ngirepotela yona.
My lord, even the name of the police station I was not informed of. Therefore, I did not know which police station was I kept in. If I was informed, then I would have kept it in mind.
Do you recall yesterday when you gave your evidence, or during cross-examination rather, you said that in the morning of the 19th of June 2020, you went to a certain police station in the morning where they parked and then you sat inside the vehicle?
Usakhumbula ukuthi izolo uma uphana ngobufakazi noma mawubuzwa imibuzo uye wathi ekseni nge-19 yena suka naya kwenye ipolice station afika napaka khona.
Ngiyakhumbula Nkosekatola akaze ngilibize igama le police station. Khona ukukhisha kwe police station ngene emontweni ngizophuma ngoba nguyo ongikhipha nguyo ongivalelayo. Ayikho into engizoyinqaba Nkosenkantolo.
Yes, my lord, I do remember, and I did not mention the name of the police station as I was moved by him, and there is nothing that I could have done as he had instructed me that I should go.
Evidence led in this court is that that particular police station is Moroka police station.
Ubufakazi obukhishwe la ukuthi leo police station iMoroka police station.
Lenga hanje sakuyo Nkosenkantolo.
Are you referring to the police station which I was taken to,
Noma lenga engalandwa kuyo ekseni.
or the one which I was kept at?
The one you were taken to.
Uthi le ewayiswa kuyo.
Yebo Nkosenkantolo ngoba kusho wena.
Yes.
Ngizothini ngoba into oyifundayo nebhalwe phansi neleyo onolwazi la.
Yes.
Ngazi uma angwazi ama police station la. Nama ngangiphumela enkantolo ngikhomba ukuthi ngangihlala ngeke ngiwakhomba.
Yes, my lord, that is what you are saying, and there is nothing I can dispute, as I do not know the police stations. Even now, I cannot be able to go and point out the police stations which I stayed in.
And can you confirm that on the date you were driven into that particular police station on that Toyota Fortuner, white Toyota Fortuner?
Uyavuma ukuthi nangalelo langa uye wayisiwa kuleyo police station kuhanjwa ngale Toyota Fortuner ebekade imhlophe.
Yebo Nkosenkantolo ngalandwa ngefortune emhlophe.
Yes, my lord, I was driven with a white Toyota Fortuner.
And then you confirm as well that at no stage on the 19th of June 2020 you were taken out of that particular Fortuner to another vehicle.
Uyavuma futhi nokuthi akuzange kube nesikhathi la ukuthi ngalo lelo langa le 19 wasuswa kule Toyota Fortuner wayisiwa kwenye imoto.
Ayamangala Nkosenkantolo.
That is incorrect, my lord.
No, you do not understand my question. I'm saying, okay, let me ask you in this way. Were you ever taken out of the Toyota Fortuner into another vehicle?
Manje uthi ithabuze lo mbuzo ngalendlela. Ngalo leli langa le 19 sika June 2020 uye wakhishwa kwi Toyota Fortuner wafakwa kwenye imoto.
Ngasikhathi seni Nkosenkantolo ekseno lemina ayikho imoto mina ngakhishwa kuyo nge19 ngafakwa kwenye imoto. Ngalokho nje ngeke ifortune.
At what time, my lord, are you referring to? Because there is no vehicle which I was taken into after being taken from the Toyota Fortuner on the 19th. Are you referring to in the morning, during the day, or what time?
At any stage on that particular day.
Uthi ngalelo langa le 19 nje nhlobo ilanga lonke awuzange ufakwe kwenye imoto.
Ayizange yenzeka lonto Nkosenkantolo.
I have never been moved from one vehicle to another on the 19th.
Okay, now let's take it a step further now. The AVL report locates that particular vehicle from this time that is noted, or closest to this time that is noted in this document, to be at Koma Street or Makalima Street, which is Moroka police station at that time.
Manje ke lobufakazi bwe AVL bona bubonisa yona le moto le ngaso lesisikhathi noma ngalesikhathi esondelene naso lesi ukuthi le moto yayikade isekoma emgaqweni obizwa ukoma noma imakhalima ekuthi lo mgwaqo loyo umgwaqo oseduze nepolice station yeMroka.
Kosenkantolo azange ngisho mina ukuthi imoto yahamba kuleli gama lestrata amagama estrata ngiwatshene nguye mina umshushisi. Mina ngithe imoto ngangikhishwe police station imoto ngiyobeka lapha efika ime khona ngibona ukuthi mhlambe ngipopolo ukuthi ngikuphi lapha engikhona kuphela qa into engikhulumela phambi kwesenkantolo.
My Lord, I never mentioned any street in my testimony. The names of the streets are being mentioned by the state, and all that I have said is that whenever the motor vehicle would stop, I would then peep and see where was the motor vehicle. That's when I would have knowledge.
And at that stage, you were escorted by Constable Jonathan into the office of Colonel Rapad.
Uthi ke ngaleso sikhathi kula ukuthi wena uye wathathwa uConstable Jonathan wakuthatha wakuyisa enkantolo lika Colonel Rapad.
Amanga kosenkantolo la.
That is incorrect, my Lord.
Okay. Now let us proceed. Now on your version, which is not supported by anything, whether witnesses or AVL, you said you were taken to this place with ATMs, and then you could see there was a dumping at the back, and you made mention of something regarding papers.
Manje ubuya ngobufakazi bakho oyikuthi abunayo into eyifakazelayo lobufakazi bakho. iAVL ayikhulumi ngabo, akunafakazi ozile ekhuluma nangabo. Wena uthi uye wayithathwa wayiswa kwindawo ethize la kulahlwa khona izibi, la ukhulume ngabaphepha wakhuluma nangokuthi kwakade kunama ATM endaweni lebo kade uyiswe kuyo.
Yebo nkosenkantolo mangikhuluma ngento engangiyibona.
Yes, my Lord, I am testifying about what I saw.
Le ngangiyibona phambi kwami yenzeka mina. Nkosenkantolo ngoba ngimlapha ngizotshela inkosenkantolo into ayenzeka kimi.
I saw what was happening, and as I was standing there, and even as I am testifying, I'm informing the court of what I saw.
And it was your evidence that the man that you said you picked up at Chris Han Baragwanath Hospital gave you certain documentation.
Wena ubufakazi bakho uthe lomlisa onimlande eChris Hani Baragwana uye wakunika amaphepha athize.
Kosenkantolo ngithe amaphepha emotweni wawanikwa usayitshene emhani benomabhena phambi enenvelope. Amaphepha la nika wona la sengishawe ethi angisayine ngenkani lapha sasingakuthi ngisayine khona amaphepha ngenkani kosenkantolo.
My Lord, I said he was given documents by Sergeant Mohani and Mabena. They gave him an envelope, and the documents that he gave me, it was when I was assaulted, and he said I should sign on those documents.
Was it not your testimony said that the documents were handed to him by Colonel Brigadier Gininda?
Wena awusho ngokuthi ubekade enikwe lamaphepha uBrigadier Gininda.
Kosenkantolo ngithe amaphepha mina wawanikwa emotweni.
My Lord,
Ngoba wayehleli duzane nami la.
I said he was given documents inside the vehicle as he was seated next to me.
Nge-envelope brown lenkulu.
And he was given those documents where they were contained inside a big brown envelope.
Ngoba ngihamba naye la ngemoto amaphepha yawakhipha uhambe yawafunda ukuthi ayesho ukuthini angiwazi namanje kuye.
As the vehicle was driving, he was taking out those documents and reading them. I do not know what was written on those documents.
So that happened in your presence.
Leyo nto yenzakele ukhona.
Angithi ngihleli naye ngemuva emotweni.
I was sitting with him in the vehicle.
Siyahamba ngemoto masuka lapha esamgibeza khona.
As the motor vehicle was driving from where we took him.
And it was evidence before this court that Exhibit HH was completed by Colonel Rapadu in his own handwriting. He also signed those documents.
Kuthiwe uColonel Rapadu uyena owasayina leli phepha, uyena owaligcwalisa ngesandla sakhe.
Kosenkantolo angithi mina ngimazi ukuthi wayebhalani ngoba ehlela lapha phansi ehleli noduzana nobaba uGininda. Angimazi izinto ayebhala.
My Lord, I do not know what was he completing, what was he writing as he was seated there with Brigadier Gininda.
ukube mhlambe ngabona ngabe ngizoyitshela inkosi enkantolo hayi ngambone ebhala iphepha so manje mina ngilibonanga ngoba
If-
lali kuye la mina ngimi le.
If perhaps I would have seen him writing what on what document, I would have been able to testify that I saw him writing on this particular document.
So at some stage he was talking to Brigadier Gininda.
Kunesikhathi esithize la bekade yena ekhuluma no Brigadier Gininda.
Inkosi enkantolo bafika lathi bahlala bobabili so emveni kwemoto.
My-
uGininda wahlala naye so bekhuluma uGininda wasuka weza ke bethi namanje ngisamenza angafuna ukukhuluma ukuthi ngisamenza isithutha na.
My lord, they came and sat behind the motor vehicle together facing each other